Click on the link below to get price. The INTSUPERMAI Commercial Dehumidifier is an impressive solution designed specifically for large spaces such as greenhouses and grow rooms. With a robust capacity of 338 pints per day, it effectively manages humidity levels, ensuring optimal conditions for plant growth and health. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its versatility in installation. It can be mounted either on the ceiling or the wall, making it adaptable to various room layouts. This flexibility is essential for maximizing space in commercial environments. The unit operates quietly, which is a significant advantage in settings where noise can disturb plants or personnel. Efficiency is another highlight of this model. The commercial-grade compressor works diligently to remove excess moisture, helping to prevent mold, mildew, and other humidity-related issues that can jeopardize a greenhouse's ecosystem. Users will appreciate the digital control panel that allows for precise humidity settings and real-time monitoring, ensuring the environment remains conducive to growth. The construction of the INTSUPERMAI dehumidifier is sturdy and designed to withstand the rigors of frequent use. Its durable materials are built to last, making it a worthwhile investment for any professional grower. Additionally, the unit comes with an automatic drainage feature, eliminating the need for manual water removal and reducing maintenance efforts. While the upfront cost may be higher than smaller models, the efficiency and capacity of the INTSUPERMAI dehumidifier justify the investment. Users have reported significant improvements in their crop health and yield due to the stable environment this dehumidifier creates. However, prospective buyers should ensure that their space can accommodate the unit's dimensions and weight, as it is designed for larger operations. Overall, the INTSUPERMAI Commercial Dehumidifier is a powerful ally for anyone serious about cultivating plants in optimal conditions, delivering reliability and performance that won't disappoint.